scientifically proven to grow hair, and I'm going to show you how I did it. Let's get real. You know I love the glam, but honey, it's a process. Oof, but for my hair, it's worth it. Aloe, rosemary, and moisture. Yes, you came here for length, but let's discuss. Why do we get treated differently? Because of our hairstyles. Oh, and this is only 25 days of growth, and literally it looks like 3 months. Hello. And as you can see, there's a lot of new growth, but not a lot of buildup, and that's because the growth happens so fast. I didn't have time to make my mixture this day, but my wonderful mom is helping me apply aloe vera to my hair before I wash it. Now let's get into deep conditioning. I decided to try out this Garnier Fructis line, and no, it's not sponsored. I filmed this portion on a different day with different products, but I wanted to refilm it using the Garnier products because I wanted to try it out and I love the moisture. So you know that really pretty hair growth mixture that you saw earlier? I'm going to show you how to make that, and actually make a lot and I freeze it and give it to my friends. And while I do that, I'm going to rank the hairstyles that get me the least attention / the most negative attention. Number 1 being the hairstyle that gets me the worst treatment ever. I'm really curious to know if anybody else experiences the same treatment. Okay, so this one is subjective because when I'm in Nigeria, I feel like I get a lot of praise for this hairstyle, but in America, I kind of just get ignored. Number 3, when I put a lot of beads in my hair, no matter the style, people act like it's not professional. And oh my god, adding in the grapeseed oil, let's just take a moment to appreciate how aesthetically pleasing this is. Now I'm adding in the aloe vera, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and mix it all together. This next one, some people may attach a negative stigma to it, but I don't care. I love it. I'm gonna rock my hair in cornrows all the time. And lastly, my fro. I've literally had people see me differently once I rocked my fro and they saw my hair was 4C. Weird. So am I the only one who gets treated differently when I go out depending on the hairstyle that I have? The hairstyle that I have can literally determine how many times I get approached and asked on a date, and it determines how many people in society just may treat me in general. After rinsing the product out, I go ahead and I go in with the shampoo. I love the texture of the shampoo. It's very sleek and it smells so amazing. And have you all tried this cocoa butter one? I want to try this out. Next, I go in with conditioner. And if you are new here, I have high porosity 4C hair that gets weighed down in the shower. I do use heat, but look at how healthy my coils are, and look at my hair when it's drying up, and look at my hair in its natural fro. Healthy shrinkage. All right, I'm going to rank the hairstyles that get me the most positive attention. Number 4, when my hair is in a curly bun. Number 3, when my hair is straight. Number 2, when my hair is big, long, and blown out. But number 1, when my hair is big, long, and blown out, but with waves in it. What do you think about that? Trends are forever changing in society, but natural hair isn't a trend. Next, I double boil the mixture. Well, actually, I just kind of warm it up. I don't boil it, and I'm going to show you here. I used to use the mixture without leaving the rosemary in there, but honestly, I feel like I got better results when I left the rosemary in there, and then I went ahead and refrigerated the mixture. The oil comb bottles are available at glamcomb.com. What I love the most about rosemary is the fact that there have been scientific studies done to prove that it does indeed help grow your hair, so you know it's going to work. So here I am giving you all an inside look into my blow drying process, and this isn't the actual day that I use the Garnier product. I actually use other products on the wash day from this video, but this is exactly how I styled my hair with the Garnier. So what I do is I go ahead and I flat iron my hair on 290 degrees heat, and I applied heat protectant beforehand. So I put my hair in double Dutch braids, and I used a cream styler in order to achieve this look, and I happen to like this look. You all tell me if you like the look of the wavy chunky braid out. I tried the side part, but I went with this instead, and you can take a look at my shrinkage, and I'm just gonna compare it to my wand curls, and it's not as fluffy as my wand curls, but it's definitely still something that I kind of like. Alright, so this is my hair lightly pressed, and it's not as voluminous to me. I know for some other people they may consider this to be voluminous hair, but for me, this is like a somewhat sleek look for me. This is probably as sleek as I like my hair because I just absolutely love and adore thick, beautiful 4C hair. As always, thank you all so much for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Alright, bye y'all. And if you haven't already, make sure you check out my previous video on my rosemary rinse for hair growth and also my aloe vera treatment in order to deep condition my hair. Bye!